Introduction. The 12th day of Rabi-ul-Awwal, known as Eid-e-Milad-un Nabi or Mawlid al-Nabi, is a significant and revered day in Islam. It commemorates the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the final messenger of Islam. This day holds immense importance for Muslims worldwide and is celebrated with devotion and gratitude. Importance of 12th Rabi-ul-Awwal, birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The primary significance of the 12th Rabi-ul-Awwal is the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who Muslims believe to be the last prophet sent by Allah, God, to guide humanity. Exemplary life. The Prophet's life serves as a model of righteousness, compassion, and wisdom for Muslims. His teachings, actions, and character are considered a source of inspiration for how to lead a virtuous and just life. Significance and lessons from the Quran and Hadith. Guidance for humanity. The Quran, Islam's holy book, describes the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a mercy to the worlds. Quran 21-107. This highlights his role as a source of guidance and compassion for all of humanity. Obedience to the Prophet. The Quran emphasizes the importance of following the Prophet's teachings. Whoever obeys Allah and His Messenger will be in the company of those whom Allah has blessed. The prophets, the truthful, the martyrs, and the righteous. What excellent companions these are. Quran 4-69. Unity and brotherhood. The Prophet's farewell sermon stresses the unity and equality of all Muslims, regardless of their race or social status, promoting brotherhood and tolerance among believers. Character and morality. The Hadith, sayings and actions of the Prophet, provide numerous lessons on morality, ethics, and manners. They guide Muslims in their personal and social lives. Blessings of Rabi-ul-Awwal. Increased blessings. Many Muslims believe that acts of worship and charity performed on the day of 12th Rabi-ul-Awwal carry special blessings, and their supplications are more likely to be accepted. Reflecting on the Prophet's life. Rabi-ul-Awwal is an opportunity for Muslims to deepen their connection with the Prophet by studying his life, character, and teachings, fostering a sense of devotion and gratitude. Observing Rabi-ul-Awwal. Recitation of Quran and Hadith. Muslims may engage in the recitation of Quranic verses and Hadith related to the Prophet's life and mission. Mawlid celebrations. Some communities hold gatherings, known as Mawlid celebrations, where they listen to lectures about the Prophet's life, recite poetry in his praise, and share meals. Charity. Giving to those in need, especially on this day, is encouraged as an act of kindness and a way to follow the Prophet's example. Conclusion. The 12th Rabi-ul-Awwal, celebrating the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a day of profound spiritual significance for Muslims. It serves as a reminder of the Prophet's teachings, character, and his role as a guide and mercy to humanity. It is a day of reflection, gratitude, and devotion, and it encourages Muslims to follow the path of righteousness and compassion laid out by the Prophet. Thanks for watching.